Hi, this is a quick demo of the Google Click Maestro. When you open the program, you see two tabs, Lite version 1.0, which is what this program is, and the proxy harvester. Proxy harvester allows you to specify a particular file where all the proxies from Hide My Ass can be stored. So once I give it a file name, I'm going to choose run or click on run. The program itself is going to go to Hide My Ass or HMA. I'll go ahead and deselect all the proxies which are slow or in the range of low to high, but will retain all the high plus KA. You can see the description on Hide My Ass's website what that means, and it's going to pull all the top 100 proxies that are listed by HMA. It's going to pull that out, extract that information, and put that in the public proxies.txt file. Once it's done gathering all the information from the website, it's just going to say all done. Now you know that there are proxies that are available for you to be used in the program. As part of the options for the program, the first one being the search engine, you can use google.com, which is going to be in country. So if the proxy is Russian, the google.com.ru or whatever the Google's extension is for Russia will show up. For the NCR, which is no country redirect, it'll actually explicitly go to google.com, in this case google.co.uk for United Kingdom, and then google.com.au for Australia. I'm just going to leave it for demonstration purposes as google.com. So for example, if you're searching for if your keyword is, let's say, weight loss pills, and you're going to search for weight loss pills on google.com, I'm just going to go ahead and google.com and type in weight loss pills. I'm sure you would know about what your site URL is, but just for the demonstration, I'm just going to go to the third page, pick one of the URLs from it. Let's just say this WebMD URL. I'm just going to click on that. I just wanted the exact URL. Make sure that your site URL, which is the next option, has the exact URL. If it is not, then it will not click on the Google will not click, and your clicks won't get registered. I'm just going to say minimum seconds to wait 60 seconds, but for this demo, let me just say 10 so you get a chance to see what it can do. Maximum seconds is 15. I would suggest doing it at least perhaps anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes, and the number of hits required, in my case I'll just say 10 for demonstration purposes. Give it a proxy file. You can give it your public proxies. I also have private proxies available without the user ID and password because it's tied to my IP, and I'm just gonna for this demonstration do the private proxies and click on run. Oops, I did not put in the weight loss pills, and the software is intelligent enough to say, hey, you need to put some keyword. So once I clicked on run, it's gonna go to google.com. In my case, the proxy is actually a US proxy. So it went to google.com. It's going to type in weight loss pills and go through all the different pages within Google, the search pages, and click on whatever the site URL you specified. As you may have noticed, a couple of proxies are not working very well, and so it's going to recycle the proxies. It's going to randomly select out of the whatever number of proxies that are available. It's going to randomly select one of those, and if there's an error or if there's a timeout experience, it's automatically going to go to the next one. So in this case, it found one good one, went through the first page, didn't find the site URL. It goes through the second page, but seems like it's already timed out, so proxy is taking too long a time, so it didn't go to the second page but actually went to the next proxy. It's going to continue to do that until you hit the number of hits required, which is in our case number 10. This is another example where it went to the first page, didn't find it, so it went to the second page. Let's see what it does, whether it finds it or not. It found it on the second page, and clicked on the WebMD, and it's going to wait a random time between the minimum and the maximum seconds to wait, and then it's going to reduce the bounce rate. It's going to go to the next one of the inner pages, and as you can see, one of the inner pages, or the pages listed there, was the e-medicine help, and it went to the secondary page that was listed on your whatever your site URL was. So this will continue on. You'll see the total number of hits as 1. It's going to go ahead and wait on the inner page also, and then go to the next proxy, and do all this over and over again until it hits the number of hits required, which is in this case 10. So this will actually help you bring your Google ranking up. So Google knows that how many people search for weight loss pills in this case, and then went to this site URL, which is in our case the WebMD. And make sure to reduce the bounce rate. You increase the minimum and maximum seconds to perhaps minimum as much as 60 or higher, maximum 300 or somewhere in that vicinity, so that you don't quickly go into the site URL and come out of it. So thanks. If there are any questions, do let me know. I'm going to, now that there are 2 hits, just as an example for this demo, see that it actually went to the another secondary or another inner page. It's going to select this randomly, so whatever the links are there on your site URL, it's going to select one of the links randomly, so that everything is random and that there's no particular pattern to it. So that's it. Thanks guys. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.